Kari watches the Nut Job 2, Nutty by Nature / Ungrounded. This video is requested by Karina Productions.
Okay, so today I'm going to watch the Nut Job 2, Nutty by Nature. Let's watch it.
You might think life is easy for a cute little squirrel with a fluffy tail, but it's not. Sure, when kids see you in the park, they go, "Aww." If you're lucky, they give you nuts. If you're unlucky, they are nuts. Being the little guy means everything's out to get you. Bikes, cars, gum. But things got a whole lot better last summer when the nut shop went out of business and left a lifetime supply of food in the basement. For once, the little guy at the bottom of the food chain came out on top.
Thank you. I call that one the Peanut Buster, patent pending.
Excellent! A very tight top!
And a high degree of difficulty.
I prefer a clean entry. A little too much flair.
1 hour later.
Kari, why you're watching the movie to see? I'm watching the Nut Job 2, Nutty by Nature. Let me see. Wow, Kari. I can't believe it. Watch the Nut Job 2, Nutty by Nature. You're ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want. Yay. Thanks, Mom. Thanks for watching.